1960 Impala, Nelmor Trailmaster's install. Here we go. Remove your mirror. First thing first. Remove your door panel. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put your blue tape down and then put your template on there and then tape your template down nice and tight. Okay, and Marcos wants to put on his white gloves. I don't know if he thinks he's Michael Jackson or a surgeon, or I don't know what he's doing here, but let him do his thing. He's really good at what he does. So, whoa, okay, sorry, you have to see that. Okay, next we're going to do is we're going to use our gasket. That's basically your true template, okay? So put your gasket down, mark your holes in the center, and then what you don't see here is we actually use our chrome base just to mark it up to make sure that it's got enough clearance from the chrome trim. And then once you do that, find your center, use your punch tool to get ready to drill. So just make sure you put that center best you can. Use a pencil to mark your hole first. That's the best way to do it. Okay, next we're going to use a 1/8 drill bit, and we're going to go ahead and drill through the door. Just be sure you have the door open. Do not drill with the door closed. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and use a 1764 drill bit, and we're going to go at a slight angle, not too angled, but just a slight angle. So now we'll pre-fit our base, make sure the bolts fit through. You want to start the bolts first through the bottom. Looks good. Nice and flush. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to temporarily install the L bracket. And the reason why we do this is because we need to find the location for the wire. So we need to drill a small hole through the wire. Okay, so I don't know, right about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit less. We'll go right above that, and that's where we'll drill our hole. And I think we are at 3/16 is what we used. And then what we'll do is temporarily set it in place so we can test the base. So what you want to do here is just want it snug, test the base, make sure that lines up with the hole in front of the base, and if it does, you could go ahead and tighten it. Once you do that, then you're going to go ahead and run your wire through as you've seen previously real quick, and then that's it. You're pretty much done. You're going to tighten up the center screw, and that's it. Look at that. Beautiful. Not that bad of an install. Just gotta measure twice and drill once. That's what I say. Fits flawlessly perfect. Look at that. It's perfect. Looks beautiful. It changes the whole dynamics of this car. Look at that difference from stock to some Nelmor Trailmasters. It's game changer. Must have for 1960 Impala. Trailmasterspotlight.com. Thank you so much.